Now wait for a moment. And see you later. Okay. You wanna go by yourself? You can go by yourself. This is our on the fourth. Okay, come a little bit closer. This is a slow, easy one. Come a little bit closer. You don't have to worry about braking or anything. Okay, go hands there. Sit down, lean back, feet up, and goodbye.
Bye bye.
You gotta lean back more, okay?
Yeah.
Stand up, grab the cable. Up. Hold the cable down right here. Okay.
Stop. Lige så fast.
Oh, by herself.
Ja.
Watch out, I'm coming. Don't worry about me. Sí, no la veo, right? En ese, si quieres, se la llevo. o mándala.
I'm falling.
Se va a hacer shot de ella. Se va a hacer shot de ella. Y ella sube la frena. All right. This one. Ay, ay, ay.
Er du okay? Er du lige...
Ja. Ej, det er lige så slemt bare at stå på den her plateau.
Du er sat fast jo.
Du er sat fast i
Er han
vejen.
taget i forvejen? Hvad?
This one you need to go with your brake behind.
Nej, with the what?
Bremser bagved.
Ej. Nu er han nu foran. You will go with me then?
You can be with two hands in the middle like the last one. Okay. Down. Like that.
Nu bliver det altså lidt for spændende.
Hands behind. Forward back. Always on the cable, okay? Yep. Vamos.
Bye bye.
Come up.
I can feel comfortable now.
Turn around. Turn around. You are attached on the back side. Sit down. Legs up. On your knees. Cross.
Det føles bare vemmeligt der, når man skal trykke, fordi man er bange for ens fingre, de bare...
Oh, I'm sorry. You okay?
Yeah.
Woo!
Og se om hun kommer alene, eller hvad hun gør.
Literally, right? Literally speaking. In the middle of the nowhere. You got some other monkey somewhere over there. Mono. Oh my god! Not bad.
Det der Tarzan, halløjse, hvad gik det ud på? Ved du? Det der tager sådan en jungle eller hvad det hedder.
Her?
Ja. Oh my god.
Det kunne jeg fandme ikke lide den derovre.
Den der?
Nej, det synes jeg var ulækkert. Altså,
Ja.
ikke når først der kommer ud, men at stå og så skal ud over.
Ja.
Okay, no breaking. There's no break. Yeah, but don't try to grab the paper. Just focus in the middle. And you need to lean back because he will stop you at the end. He's gonna.
Kunne man ikke armen? Eller jo, man måtte vel gerne holde. Jeg bliver helt nervøs her, om vi ikke må holde fast.
Må vi ikke?
Jo, vi må godt.
You guys wanna be together again or just alone, one by one?
Det ved jeg ikke.
Vil du med, eller skal vi tage den der så?
Det kan da godt hoppe med.
Okay.
Det er godt om med.
Send them. Wait a second there, sir. Don't go yet.
Så kommer der mere fart på,
Okay.
tror jeg.
Come up.
Det er derfor Gitte, hun ikke vil køre alene. Hun vil have noget højere hastighed. Der er mere væk på.
Okay, sit down, both of you. Legs up. And legs up all the time.
Jeg kan bare... Kan vi lige
Okay, stand up. Everything okay?
Ja, tak.
Outside.
Woo!
Okay. That means I'm ready.
Ja.
Okay. Can you please go that way, sir? Alright, all set.
Okay. Det er bare det rarest, når man kan se, hvor man kører hen af.
Ja, det er noget rigtigt.
Det ser da mærkeligt ud. Og hvor skal vi skal bo?
Go underneath, on the other side. No, underneath. Excellent. Oh, you can turn around the other way.
Hold kæft, hvor jeg sveder.
Jamen, det er også
Det var det, jeg sagde, at det ikke var koldt heroppe.
No breaking on this one at all.
Har du helt glemt, du frunser?
Go upside down. Yeah. Oh, very simple.
Får I taget nogle billeder af jer selv, fordi jeg har slet ikke overskud til at tage billeder af jer, ellers så ville jeg
Nå, det er heller ikke. Jeg tager video. Den kører.
Okay, kør den bare.
Kører spot on. Hun giver dig lige...
Endnu?
Ja.
Lean back. Bend your knees, and lean back. Lean back. And don't be afraid, just like that. Exactly. 1, 2, go! Just like that. Lean back. Nice. You wanna do it? Huh? You wanna do it? Yeah, maybe.
That must be the Tarzan award.
Okay. Ready? Let's go over there. Cross your legs, bend your knees. And exactly, just like 1.
Tror jeg.
Okay, see you later.
God så.
Okay, come on this way. What about you?
I take it normally.
Normal. Okay. Sit down. You wanna go together?
Skal vi det? Er du med?
Come on this way.
Ja, ja.
Oh, can you please turn around the other way?
Du er snudet ind i drej rundt. Lav en lille dans.
Okay. Come up here.
Tør du godt med mig?
Ja. Bare du ikke holder dig alt for hårdt fast til mig. Så jeg får en
Okay.
nye mærker.
Ready? Right there. Sit down.
How should we hold?
Right there. No, same way. Like normal way. Like before. Sit down there, feet up.
And
And no breaking.
Jeg ved ikke, hvad jeg kan sige. Ej, så kommer der ikke nogen tid på dig.
Feet up.
De elsker at skræmme sådan nogen som dig.
Everything okay? Yes. Thank you.
I need a very big pina colada afterwards.
Sweet.
See.
Talk about it.
Oj, I'm going up there. Ej, ja, for satan. Ej, det tør jeg fandme ikke.
Altså, så langt, så godt. Det er lidt...
Det er sådan noget deroppe. Det er plateauerne og
Okay,
sådan
right
noget.
here, when you're going up, you need to push this up from the bottom. Same you.
Jeg er lige bag ved dig, så...
What do you do with the glove?
Keep it on. Keep it on.
Han er ikke meget på med.
Og ham den anden, han er lidt flinkere.
Og så er det hele. Er det bare den eneste her?
Ja, så skal du skubbe det med opad.
Prøv lige at lade være at trække i rebet. Bare 2 minutter, okay?
Nå, jeg er ved at give bagvej.
Bend your knees. Let's see where is the line. Right here. 2 hands. Legs up.
Could I do something so I go straight ahead, so I don't turn
You
around?
can be with your glove behind to go straight, but don't put any pressure. You're
Yeah,
resting.
okay, fine. Thank you.
Hello. Can you please put your hands there? Excellent. 1, 2, up, jump. All right.
Woo!
Right, great job.
Det var sjovt.
Can you please go down there?
Og I andre, I har lagt hattene der, eller hvad? Det skal vi, eller hvad?
Okay. Stand up. Here we go. We got you. Okay.
Sister, this was the last one.
Yeah, we still got one more thing to go. Careful, you okay? We still got one more thing to go.